Welcome to the Vital PBX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to set up an extension in Vital PBX. To begin, click on PBX on the left-hand side of the screen, then click on the Extensions tab. Click on the Extensions option from the drop-down. Type in the extension number here. Next, type in the user's name. In the email address field, type in the user's email. This email address will receive a welcome email with a QR code to scan. In the external caller ID field, type in the name and caller ID number of the user. Click on Save, then click on the refresh icon in the top right corner of the screen. Congratulations! You've successfully set up an extension in Vital PBX. Check back for more videos on Vital PBX as well as other helpful guides.